Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is March 31st, 2018. Today we will be viewing images from unedited photos obtained yesterday from the Federal Aviation weather cams in Alaska. All videos are in time-lapse mode, with each frame equal to 10 minutes. Our first video was viewed from Sitka, Alaska, where the red rolling planet is often seen. This planet appears to rotate about once every 2 hours, unlike our Sun, which rotates only once in 27 Earth days. We see the same planet rolling across the sky viewed from the southwest-facing weather cam in Seward, Alaska, but more chemtrailing has been done here, so it's more difficult to see. A different red planet is viewed on the east-facing weather cam in Petersburg, Alaska, but the chemtrailing was so heavy that it was only visible for one frame. The east-facing weather cam in Pelican, Alaska, also captured the red planet. And again, from the east-facing camera in Pedro Bay, Alaska, they've stepped up their chemtrailing quite a bit because these planets used to be more easily seen. From the south-facing camera in Nenana, Alaska, we see a huge striped planet, partially faded into the transparency from the atmospheric chemicals. Like all the other planets in this system that we've seen, it has a very fast rotation, estimated to be approximately one full rotation every hour, 24 times faster than the Earth and 648 times faster than our Sun. If you look closely, you can see a red planet to the left of the striped planet, nearly transparent in the atmospheric chemicals. This is no doubt the same planet that we saw last week from the northwest-facing weather cam in Tok, Alaska. Here it has a tiger's eye appearance, and the red planet emerges from the atmospheric transparency to come into view for just a few frames. Both planets have a fast rotation. The southwest-facing weather cam in Myers-Chuck saw a very interesting sunset last night. Watch the water as the sun moves westward in preparation for the sunset. Notice how the reflection is actually split into two separate reflections. The reflection closest to us is caused by a very intense light source that NASA installed about 20,000 miles from the Earth, which tracks in perfect synchronization with our Sun. They patented, built, and named this light the Sun Simulator. Jeff P. has all the patent information and diagrams in case anyone is interested in seeing more about the Sun Simulator. Eventually the Sun gets low enough that the two reflections combine. The black dot is in the center of the Sun Simulator, but it is not always visible. Watch the water carefully as the Earth rotates and causes the Sun to appear to move westward. The Sun has moved west off the camera's screen, but now something else sets. Watch the water carefully to see something else setting and casting a very bright reflection, as if a sun is setting there. One celestial body sets to the left of our Sun, and another to the right of our Sun, and yet another directly underneath our Sun every night, causing most of the horizon to become red and pink nowadays. In the past, only part of the sky that was red in the evening was close to the Sun. Now, most of the sky is red in the evenings. This is why our evening sky is extremely heavily chemtrailed. From the southwest-facing camera in Taku Inlet, we see that black center of the Sun Simulator casting its own reflection upon the water surface, proving that it is not a camera or lighting issue. At the military base just outside Anchorage, Alaska, we see two enormous orbs near the Sun. They have been blurred by the Sun Simulator's lens array, which Jeff P. can explain in great detail. Adding some contrast brings out these huge orbs. Another function of the Sun Simulator is the ability to engulf nearby celestial objects in glare, rendering them non-viewable, as evidenced here. Eventually, the Sun takes on the shape of a gigantic blob in order to spread enough glare so that these orbs cannot be seen. The west-facing camera in Kwethluk, Alaska, shows the orb that sets underneath the sun every night. One more reason for the heavy chemtrailing of the setting sun. These objects are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when the system will make its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.